Hey guys, in this video we are going to take a look at another OneUI ROM which is based on Android Q for our Galaxy J7 2016. So without wasting more time, let's start. So guys, this ROM is called as Klaxosuar. Yeah, I think I'm right, Klaxosuar. This is an M10 port, and let's move into software information. It says OneUI core version 2.0, Android 10 version 10, and the kernel is Simple Kernel, which is now default for all of the OneUI based ROMs. Build number also says the name and by Gonic, which is the developer name. And Android security patch level is July 1 2020, which is a bit old, but it's okay if you're considering our device is a J7 2016 in 2020. Now this ROM is very simple and light and very fast, and it's pretty quick to open your apps and all that stuff. So you can quickly open your contacts. Also, this is the OneUI 2.0 core version, so obviously it is snappy, and it's really better for our J7 2016 to have a lighter version. Like if you have used the A7 and Note 20 ports, then you know how heavy it is and how it lags sometimes in between, and some features also broken. But this is a really lighter version of the OneUI, and you can enjoy almost all of the features without some like just minor stuff broken, so you don't have to worry a lot about this is broken or not, and may almost all of the basic features are working. What else you need? Like you are using Android 10 with OneUI 2.0. I know it's not 2.5, not the latest, but yeah, a core version which is very fast and simple. Then your J7 2016 is like pretty good. You can like tell that in a pretty good condition in still in 2020. Then obviously it's fully debloated, which is what I like in this lighter ports, that it's fully debloated and we can choose what apps to install. We don't have a lot of apps, like a ton of apps, shitty apps I mean. And this is the camera and works fine. Yeah, there is no issues in camera, everything works fine. These are some modes, and yeah, the UI, the newer UI you're getting. Yeah, you may not get that 2.5 that thing. Yeah, this is a, I think, core version, lighter version. And hi, that's me. Okay, enough of the camera and all that shit. Now let's take a look at the features, and you won't get much difference from other ROMs. Actually, this is a core version, so you won't get those the things which are available in the Note 20 port or something. But yeah, normal features into display, the dark mode and all that stuff. Screen mode, these are the modes you can choose. And yes, this normal stuff is present. Always on display is not available, and it won't work even it does not work on any other ports. Then lock screen, your normal stuff. You can choose your clocks, face widgets, as you can see, clock style and face widgets. Here you can choose the clock style, and yes, all the basic clock styles are available. Tap to change the clock style, and yes, here these are the clock styles available. Yes, and you can choose the color obviously. So that is the basic stuff available here. And what else? Into biometrics. Okay, face recognition is there. Let's test it out. I really like testing the face recognition feature. uh, I actually did not see it before. Sorry for that. This is time consuming, but it's okay. Do you wear glasses? No. Okay, let me set this up. It will be a bit of no, time consuming. Okay, so my face has been registered. Let's save and let's see if it actually works. Oh, it works fine. Wow. It gives you a sound, so you have to wait for that sound. Now I'm not comfortable here because the camera is in between, but yeah, it gives you a sound. Like if you're directly looking at the phone, it will unlock quickly, but not that quickly. Don't expect something like a flagship phone. Yeah, it just uses the camera, so yeah, you need enough light also to get the face identical, and then it will unlock properly. So yeah, you need, obviously you need light, and you can also choose not to stay on the screen. So this was the okay, yeah, stay on screen. You can just cancel this and it will directly open. Yeah, that's how it works, and it works fine. So thumbs up for this. And others are just some basic stuff, like just OneUI features, nothing else. And the smoothness and everything, stability is really nice. There are no found features. Wi-Fi works for default for my device. Actually, it's the J710 FN variant, Indian variant. If you have MN variant and the Wi-Fi does not work, there will be a Wi-Fi fix in my previous video, or into the XDA thread you can just report and someone will give you a fix. That is for guaranteed, because there is a problem with the MN device, but there is a Wi-Fi fix available and it works on all of the OneUI ROMs almost. Like, yeah, it should work if it works on other ROMs too. So yep, that is it for the video. Not much to actually, just stretch the video into that. Also, installation is easy, but you have to flash the repartition skip, which is also easy part. Just back up your stuff, the data. I'm not going to, just go through again the repartition steps. Repartition step and all. I've already explained it in one of my video, the Note 20 port, I guess, which is here. But that's the like an easy part. Just back up your internal storage because it will format your data. So yep, that is it. And then you can flash your favorite ROM and you can keep, a 3 GB partitioned system, so that any other ROMs won't be having any issues with your daily usage and all that stuff. And you can also save some internal storage space, or it will get, really shrinked if you use 4 GB as the data. So yep, that is it. And if you guys really like this video, then you have to press the like button, and if not, then the dislike button. That will be a great feedback for me, so please do that. Also, if you want, you can follow me on Instagram. All the links will be in the description, and everything is in the description, the installation and all the stuff is in the description. And if you don't get anything, there is the comment section. You can comment it, just type, or whatever you're using, phone or something, you can type it out. And yep, compliments are also welcome. And guys, bye bye, take care. I was also ill for a week and now I'm okay. I don't have COVID actually. I don't meet anyone and I don't go to crowds or something. So yeah, there was really 1% of me having COVID, but yeah, I don't have it, and I guess I will never have it. I will try. So you guys also please take care of yourself. Wear a mask, please. It's compulsory. No matter what part you are living, no matter how less the numbers are in your area, just wear a mask. It does not matter, just if you're going into a crowd. So please, and bye bye, take care. I will see you guys soon with another video. Bye.